Goodbye, Brittany.
Now it's everything that...
Brittany is the champ!
That's one tough pick.
Brittany is the only one who can take pressure.
Today we're gonna do something epic with our friend Lauri, who is a professional hydraulic presser. We're gonna make a burger to fit our needs for whole week. We're gonna take tons of burgers. We're gonna start putting them into the tube, and every once in a while we're gonna pressurize.
By the way, can this plastic professional tool explode?
Yeah, it's going to explode. So
Okay, I'll be right behind you.
Just a little bit more.
I think we add some more.
And with this technique, we are pretty sure that you only have to eat once a week, right?
Yeah, it is going to be something like 10,000 calories. So.
Yeah.
Let me, I'm a professional.
Okay, hold it.
At least two more.
Kitchen?
I have made plenty of those kitchen films. I have made fruit salad and fruit sorbet. The fruit salad exploded.
Only this guy can make a salad explode.
We can fit a couple more. I think that is 1 week worth of burgers right here, so
Yeah.
I'm going to make that compact burger.
Everybody's going. Oh, it just comes out from the bottom.
Just press it. Keep on going.
Right.
Look at that. Oh, there's plenty for everybody.
Wait.
Now, this meat looks like kebab.
And ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served.
Oh my God, that is so American.
So this is how you make a good-looking dinner for your friends to eat.
Yeah, it's for whole family.
Thank you. When you are having a party, when you're having guests coming at your house, just use hydraulic press to make a nice-looking dinner out of burgers.
This is very cool.
And this is nice to share with a friend.
I think this is bit too cold for enjoy, so we are going to heat it up a little bit.
Yeah, sounds
Okay,
good.
that's a good idea.
Let's take it out. So.
Are we gonna put it in the oven?
No time for that.
I call this cooking with gas. Oh my God, there's some fresh salad. How is that possible?
Quite good.
Quite good. Tastes like gas. Sorry guys. Tastes like shit.
Even though we weren't able to make the biggest and the fattest burger ever, but I still think that we came up with something new and cool that is gonna take over the world.
It's really nice show when the waitress brings that and the blowtorch on your table and flames it up right here.
In a nice restaurant you would pay like $200 out of this.
Yeah, and that's only burgers.
We have no idea which one actually can take some pressure.
Let's start.